Are you struggling with the process of crafting a lesson plan? I found a resource that can make the creation of lesson plans easier. It's called Magic School A.I. Magic School A.I operates as an artificial intelligence-driven platform designed to assist educators in creating effective lesson plans. To utilize this tool effectively, follow these steps. Go to Chrome and type Magic School A.I. Sign up and log in. Begin by signing up for an account. On the Magic School A.I platform, log in using your credentials to access the features. Define learning objectives. Clearly outline the learning objectives you want to achieve with your lesson. Magic School A.I incorporates these objectives into its suggestions. Input relevant details. Provide specific details about your class, such as grade level, subject, and any specific topics or themes you want to cover. Customization options. Explore customization options based on your teaching style and preferences. Magic School A.I often allows you to tailor lesson plans to suit your unique approach. Generate lesson plan. Once you've inputted the necessary information, initiate the lesson plan generation process. Magic School A.I utilizes its algorithms to analyze your requirements and generate a comprehensive lesson plan. Review and modify. Review the generated lesson plan and make any necessary modifications. You can adjust the content, activities, or sequencing to better align with your teaching style.
Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and have a fantastic day.